Now, on this week's edition of the Business Review, we delve into the story of a young man who transformed his skill into a lucrative business, and he did it all in the middle of a pandemic. Andrew Laidley reports.
Shane Miller is the owner of Steve's Weavers, a local handcraft business based in St. Elizabeth. He's also a final-year university student. He admitted that crafting has helped him to pay his tuition so far, but he didn't consider monetizing his skill until last year when the COVID-19 pandemic forced him to explore new ways to earn a living.
Friends encouraged me to take it up as a business thing because really and truly I just saw it as something that was done in the family, and we did it in season, in the tourist season, and we'll go to Montego Bay and sell it. But I did not take it up as a business idea until last year, August, when the whole COVID was in, and we were at home. Basically, online classes didn't start as yet, so I said that what can I do with my time? So I said, you know what, I'm going to try the crafting.
He explained that he learned straw weaving from his siblings, most of whom had been weaving all their life.
It is a family thing because I grew up seeing my parents, my sisters and brothers, and like relatives doing the craft work. So it is a generation thing.
The straw weaver is now distributing his products across the island as well as overseas. And all it took was a simple marketing strategy channeled mainly through social media.
I started to market it on Instagram first, then I started on Facebook, then I started on WhatsApp by sending it to my contacts, and it reached out.
However, he explains that navigating the logistics space has been challenging, especially when exporting.
Sometimes the products will take a little bit time to reach to the persons, especially the overseas person. And I don't have a steady courier service to send it by. I normally send it by the post office, so that is a little bit longer than persons will want.
But that's a hurdle Mr. Miller expects to overcome as the business grows. In the meantime, he is focused on improving his skills in order to enhance the quality of his product.
It didn't take long to learn the steps, but in terms of doing the designs, I developed that over the years. So up until now, I cannot do certain designs because I haven't developed those techniques as yet as my older sisters. So it's a step-by-step thing, and I learn from them as time goes by.
That's why he's urging more training in this area of weaving.
I want this straw making to be a practical skill area in the vocational training centers, are to be taught in schools so that students can see the basic techniques and the essential thing that goes with the whole craft making thing. So I want it to be that big.
Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.